Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail, passion mango bridge mocktail. How to make passion mango bridge mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass, add some ice cube, then you have to pour 30 ml of passion fruit syrup, 20 to 30 ml of passion fruit syrup. Then you have to add mango juice. Depending upon the glass, you can add the juice. You have to add mango juice, then add some lime juice or lemon juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Then take a tall glass because I added more juices. Then simply pour all the mixture into the glass. Then what you will do? Take a type of glass and add some granite syrup and soda. And slowly pour the mixture into the this is the like mango. You can less the juice quantity so that the more layer will come. Okay, then what you will do after that? Actually, so this is a passion mango bridge mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.